Hello, it's Sasa, and today in this video I'm showing a way to have a yogurt parfait with a Canadian and Japanese twist to it. You can use any kind of yogurt. The one I'm using is an Iceland style. It's very high in protein. I'm a vegetarian, so this helps with my protein intake. I recently discovered Iceland style yogurt. It's a lot thicker than Greek yogurt. I like to use a very wide bowl or plate and put a layer of yogurt and mush it out. You can use whatever berries and fruit of your choice. You can arrange them nicely or just throw them all on top. This yogurt is plain and has no added sugar, so if you want it sweeter, you can add some sugar. I'm using maple syrup. You can buy this yogurt in flavors like vanilla, strawberry, so those already have sugar in it. To give it a Japanese twist, I'm using roasted brown rice, and I bought this in Japan. This is the same thing that they use in Genmaicha tea. The roasted flavor is very unique. There are ways to make this yourself, but I have not tried it. As a substitute, you can use anything else that's crunchy, cereal, cornflakes, or granola. I like to enjoy this as an afternoon snack or a snack after I go to the gym. Here's my social media contacts. And if you want to and can support me creating more free content, either purchase a coffee or buy something from my Etsy shop. Thank you for watching!